Hey guys. So, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm making me an egg sandwich. For breakfast. So, is a 9 to 5 for you? Is a 9 to 5 for you? Think about this. Think about this, guys. Think about this. Think about it, right? What is the purpose of a job? What is the purpose of a job? Right? Now, some jobs may have more benefits than others. But what is the ultimate purpose of a job, right? Just to make money, right? So if you know that that's the purpose of a job, and you don't like your job, shouldn't you be looking into other ways to make money? Think about it. If the purpose of a job, right, is to make money in your head, right? It's to make money, and you don't like your job. Why don't you look for other ways to make money? Or why don't you look for another job? Or why don't you look to start your own career or your own business, your own online business, your own brick and mortar, if you hate your job? If you hate your job. See, we get complacent, something called complacency. I'm trying to move out the light. All right. So we get complacent, right? And when we get complacent, it's hard to get out of the mundane of the grind of the job. Imagine, right? Well, you don't have to imagine, because if you have been working your job for 20 years, you are already in the routine. You are already on the rat race. You are already hustling, bustling every day. So remember, we are creatures of habit. Okay? So if every day you're going to the job for 20 years, you have a habit of getting up every day, going to that job. You have a habit of every day now going to that job, right? So you have to say, I got to create a new habit for myself. I have to create a new habit for myself so that I can learn something new, so I can do something new, so I can have new money coming in, and I can break this chain of the hustle bustle for the next 20 years. Here's the thing, guys. We're going to work. I mean, unless you're just a bum ass, then don't worry about it. But, you guys are my subscribers. You guys work. You guys got jobs. You guys got businesses and stuff. We're going to work. Right? See, I'd rather work for me and go hard for me, bust my ass for me, than for a corporation or any city or any governmental job. Right? Because they can let you go, literally, guys, at any time. I don't want to be let go at any time. My kids depend on me, right? My husband depends on me, right? I got people that depend on me. Why would I put my life in the hands of someone that don't even care about me? I can't afford to have my kids homeless. I can't afford to have my kids stressed out. I can't afford to have me stressed out. I can't afford to have my husband stressed out. I can't afford to be broke. I can't afford to have anxiety. I can't afford to have a heartache. I can't afford to have a headache. Right? For someone else. I have a headache for myself. I have a heartache for myself. I have anxiety for myself. But people do this year on year. Headache after headache. Year after year, headache from your supervisor, headache from your coworkers, headache from not making enough money, headache from not getting a raise, headache from not being able to take off, headache from not having enough vacation time. I'd rather give myself a headache than somebody else. All right, so we got to think about this, guys. Going into 2019, what's important? What is important now? Right? What is important now? Right? My health is important. My wealth is important. My love is important. My happiness is important. And a job does not allow you guys to work on your health. Because if you going to work every day, hustling and bustling and being late and going through traffic and trying to rush and shit to go to work every single day, that's bad for your health. And then you're doing all that for no money. So that's bad for your wealth. And then you're not happy because your health and your wealth is all screwed. And then you're a bitter and depressed person, so you ain't got no love in your heart. You know, in my mastermind that I'm in with one of my mentors, this is what we're talking about. Health, wealth, love, and happiness. That's all that matters. And if you're not working on all of those simultaneously, guys, you're the walking dead. So don't worry. Don't worry about watching no more of my videos if you don't plan on doing shit with yourself. Don't worry about nothing else. Don't worry about going to events. Don't worry about reading books if you don't plan on doing nothing else with yourself, right? So a 9 to 5, guys, is only to make money. But how about making money in your own 9 to 5, your own grind, your own brick and mortar, your own click to order business, your own internet business, your own e-commerce business, your own TLC business, your own my ecom business, right? Your own hair business. This is a $1 billion industry right here. Okay, your own bag business, your own jewelry business. Start there, right? Don't go backwards. Don't go beg nobody for a job, right? Start with an idea, right? Start with an idea, right? So I'm creating content now on how to make money online from home and get to your first $1,000, and I'm showing you how to promote a free book, right? The course is going to be $100. And it's about 8 to 10 modules that you go through. I'm showing you how to change your mind with money. I'm showing you how to set your business up. I'm showing you how to set your sales funnel up. I'm showing you how to start driving traffic. I'm showing you how to start changing your mindset. And then also I give you opportunities to move forward and grow for $100. 2019, guys, is around the corner. If we keep singing the same tune that we've been singing since 1999 or 1983, then guess what, guys? No one's growing around you. If you have the same nothing that you had in 1983, in 2018, you have the wrong people around you. You're getting the wrong information. You're getting the wrong knowledge. So make sure you join the list. Paywithtanisha.com. Pay like Tanisha. .com. Just join the list, right? You can't do nothing yet. Just join the list. And once I launch it, now that can be for you. If you want to know how to do all this stuff, you want to know how to get to your first 1,000. If you don't have no direction, you're like, I don't know where to go. Start with $100. Okay? Start with $100 and then move and grow and go from there. Okay, guys? The only reason that people have 9 to 5s is to make money. But how about get rid of the 9 to 5 and go learn how to make your own money? PayLikeTanisha.com, guys. See you in the next video.